How's it going, YouTube? So today we are going to boost leak test. So I built myself a little boost leak tester. I used a 3-inch coupler and then a 3-inch top to a PVC pipe and put a tire stem through it. So I'm gonna start pretty low at, like, I don't know, my regulator doesn't really go down super low, so I think it's like half a bar, so it should be like 7 pounds. Which I know it already holds, I think, because I've hit 14 pounds already on it. So we'll start with 7 and then go to 20 maybe, and then like a little over 20, maybe 25. I think that should be adequate. I really don't think we're going to boost it much more than that with stock sleeves. So yeah, let me get it and start pumping it up, and then I'll check back once it has the pressure in it and show you guys what I'm looking for. Alright, so I was testing the boost leak and already found my first coupler has a huge leak. So I'm going to try to have you listen to this as we do this. See if you can hear it. So hopefully you could hear that, but gotta look at that coupler and try to get it a little bit tighter or get it over the lip better so that it doesn't leak like that. So that's what we're doing with the boost leak test. Alright, so I just finished with the boost leak test. Almost all of my couplers were too loose, so I tightened them all down. I was scared of breaking the bolts originally, that's why I didn't crank on them so much, but now you can see there's a bunch of thread sticking out, so you really gotta crank on them to get them tight. But now when I apply pressure to the homemade boost leak tester, it doesn't, the sound actually comes out of the oil hose, so I think that's good enough, because that means it's getting into the head without any leaks along the way. So that should be good enough for my test. So the next thing I gotta do is change the oil and filter and put the bumper back on, and then it should be ready to go. I did order spark plugs, so I got new spark plugs coming tomorrow. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else left to do. I don't think so. I think that's it. So let me change this oil quick and then we'll wrap it up. So I just got done doing the oil and also put the tow hooks back on. I had the tow hooks off, so now they're on there. Probably can't see them down in there, but they're there. So I think that's going to be a wrap for this video. It's going to be a short one, but thank you for all the people that subscribe and watch the videos. It just hit over 1,000 view count, which is pretty cool. I know it's little, but I think it's neat that people are even watching it. It seems like certain videos are very popular for some reason, and then other ones don't get like any views. But yeah, so if you could like, subscribe, share, comment, and Tuesday will be Dyno Day, so excited for that.